How to create a tag on System.io. How to create a tag. In this video, you will learn how to create a tag. To get started, you will need a System.io account. Why use tags? Tags are a feature that can be used to identify and better manage contacts by organizing them into categories. Depending on their origin and status, different tags may be assigned to them, i.e., contacts, customers, students, campaign. For example, we can assign the tag Client Course 1 to customers who have purchased Course 1. Creating a tag. To create a tag, navigate to the Contacts tab and click on our tags, number 1 in the image. Click on Create, number 2 in the image, fill in the field. Name of the new tag, number 3 in the image. Then click on Save to save it, number 4 in the image. Other ways to create tags. Note that it's also possible to create a new tag directly from the automation rules. Simply enter the name of the tag you want to create and use in the automation rule, and it will be created automatically. Get started now and create your free System.io account. We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://tinyurl.com/review System.io. Find more details on https://help-system.io/article/303 how to create a tag.